One of the things my students love to do in Python is they like to do a countdown, and it's one of the fun things that's easy to do, and with a little bit of Turtle it's a nice easy thing year 7s and 8s can do. So naturally, when they started to learn Swift, they were expecting the same kind of thing. Well, the output console, the print, is working, but the button isn't. The button's not updating, the view's not updating. Now that is because in Swift what's happening is it only updates the view once the button is finished. So let me start typing a little bit of code that's going to work a little bit better for us. Yes, we're going to import SwiftUI, we're going to make a content view, going to make something fairly simple, and we're going to just have a very static couple of variables here. One I put as an integer and one I put as a string. So what I'm going to do now, and this is a little bit different, is rather than have a sleep function or something like that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say, just wait. Just can we do this 10 seconds later? Can we do this 9 seconds later? Can we do this 8 seconds later? But the important thing is this code will execute after the button has finished. So in our final code, what is happening is that the for loop very quickly goes through the button. The button says, I've finished, you can update the view, and then those dispatch functions come in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that finishes. Yes, in Swift, you can do another type of for loop, and with that for loop, what will happen is you can stride and you can count backwards. But actually, we're still counting forwards in time. We're just taking off the numbers. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about Swift, then I'm making a whole series, so please do check them out. Thank you very much. And a sub to the channel would be absolutely fantastic. Much appreciated. See you next time.